Hi.
Hi.
It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood.
100%
Yeah.
it is.
In beautiful Eugene, Oregon.
Yeah.
We are here. I'm Jessie Lafarga, and this is Heather Ducker.
Hello.
And you are with?
CMG Home Loans.
And what is your role with CMG Home Loans?
So I'm a mortgage officer. Help people with their financing. Help all kinds of people.
Look how wonderful and like happy and not scary she looks. It has to do with money, right?
Yes.
But it's not a scary thing. There's
no.
So if someone wants to come to you, then kind of how do you approach a new client or a first time home buyer?
So the way, my number one goal is to solve their problem. Most of the people come to me and they want to buy a house, they might want to downsize, they want to upsize, they might want to buy their first home, like a first time home buyer. So initially we just have a conversation where I just listen to what they want to do, the goals they want to accomplish. Do they have a problem? And try to tailor whatever service they're calling me for to their specific situation.
Okay. So I work with a lot of people that are kind of later on in their life, perhaps in the downsizing phase, whether it's because of, just not needing the extra bedrooms and paying to heat them up, or too much yard to maintain, or
two levels.
Two levels is a huge one. Yes, yes. So I would imagine that the conversations that you have with those people could be different than maybe a first-time home buyer. So how do you
Way different.
Okay.
It's a whole nother aspect. So I am reverse mortgage certified.
Ooh, what does that mean?
So a reverse mortgage is a special mortgage that you have to be senior citizen, 62 or older, to actually qualify for. And it's a way we can use this product in many ways. I just closed one this week.
Congratulations.
Thank you. And in this, I'll tell you the story. In this scenario, her spouse had passed away. They had a beautiful big property, tons of acreage, but there was a trust involved. And, they had kids, adult kids from previous life. Right. And so she was 50% of the trust, and then his kids were the other 50% of the trust. Well, they wanted to liquidate, and on a super fixed income, she couldn't even have afforded rent in today's world.
Oh, absolutely. Right? Everything changed after COVID.
Yep. So what we did to help her get into a home is we took the equity, her 50% of the equity, and we put it on a down payment on a house that she can age in place in forever.
Cool.
And put her into a reverse mortgage.
Okay.
So that she doesn't even have to make payments on her new home.
Oh.
And she was able to pocket $80,000, and she had no savings.
That's a huge relief.
So
that's $80,000 of savings, of living money, of food, of the medications, of all the things.
And in this scenario, because she was living in the property that they sold, that the trust sold, she was responsible for making the mortgage payments, and she had started to fall behind. So her credit was starting to get affected because she only made, Social Security. So the reverse mortgage came in and saved her. Her credit score dropped to the point where she couldn't have qualified for a forward mortgage.
Sure.
She would have had to still make a payment. And with today's home prices and interest rates, she wouldn't have passed any debt to income ratio check.
No, probably wouldn't have even made it into a manufactured home park.
Right. And then with the cost of everything, if she would have had to, not even an apartment. I think she would have struggled in an apartment.
Oh, absolutely.
Because to rent, you have to have 3 months of the mortgage payment.
Yeah.
That's what you have to make to qualify now.
Yes.
So this got her in her own home. She's still building wealth and she's in her 80s,
Mm-hmm.
no mortgage payment, and money in the bank. And it's life-changing.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah. She was on my Facebook page last night thanking me.
No.
Yeah.
Well deserved.
Like literally lifetime friend now. Like I fell in love with helping her through that.
Mm-hmm.
And she was in my office. I mean, there were some times where she was in here and scared, crying scared, right? Like what's she gonna do?
Yeah.
What's she gonna do? And so we were able to get her into a reverse mortgage, get her into a new home, money in the bank, no mortgage payments unless she wants to make them.
Okay. So you still have the option on a reverse to
Yes.
make a mortgage payment
Yep.
if it works for your books.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. You can make the payment.
Mm-hmm.
And a reverse mortgage, in this situation, we did it as a lump sum to purchase a home.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm working on another application for another set of borrowers where he is disabled and in a wheelchair now.
Mm-hmm.
And their home is not ADA. I mean, they've got a hallway that has a sharp 90-degree corner. And it's really hard to navigate the wheelchair. So what we're doing is basically like a cash out refinance into a reverse mortgage to get them money to pay a contractor to move their master bedroom and create a walk-in shower and ADA so that way he doesn't have to navigate the hallway.
And they can age in place.
And they don't have to move.
Oh, I'm hearing that there's a potential for aging in place and reconstructing.
Yep.
But okay. So reverse mortgage funds can be applied to
as a refi.
Yeah.
To do renovations on the house.
Mm-hmm. That's huge.
Buy another home.
Okay.
Right? So you have to live in the house that you're taking the reverse mortgage out on.
You have to live in the house that you're taking the reverse. Yes, that tracks. Yeah.
But theoretically, what if you've got a free and clear home and you want to buy a house on Sun River for your family to make memories in? But you don't want to pay a mortgage. What if we did a reverse mortgage on your primary? You went and paid cash for the Sun River house. And now you've got two homes, no mortgage payments. And when you pass away, your heirs sell your primary and they get to keep the Sun River home
because the
to
primary
continue making all of those family memories in.
Yes, because the reverse is attached to the primary.
And it goes away.
Yep.
So,
well, okay, is there a chance that it could not go away? Like it would be a very rare circumstance where a home would devalue that amount. How to be
such a good question. So a reverse mortgage is a non-recourse loan.
Okay. So
what that means is that you would never be upside down.
Cool.
In your home.
Cool, because I wouldn't want to put a
no.
Sorry, y'all. I wouldn't want to put a buyer upside down.
No,
I
you
hope
will
you
never
can still
walk
hear
away
everything.
with less than 5% equity.
You will never walk away with less than 5% equity.
So even if the market drops below what you owe on your mortgage, the bank writes off the difference.
Whoa.
Non-recourse loan.
Okay.
Yeah.
So in that perspective, the risk is low. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll take, considered. Now I'll take that off the table.
Yeah, right? I mean, that's the number one objection that mostly heirs have.
Well, of course. I'm just thinking about my parents, you know?
They usually have that objection. Another way you can use reverse mortgage is to create more monthly income. So if you are on a fixed income and it's Social Security and it's a small amount, if you own a home, we can actually take a reverse mortgage out and give you a monthly stipend to supplement your income.
Yes.
That you can turn on and off whenever you want.
You're like, hello, my own home. That's now my bank. I would like a withdrawal.
What if you're 62, but if you know that if you wait to pull Social Security until you're 71, you get more money? We could take a reverse mortgage
for that gap,
and you could just have it pay you between 62 and 71. And then at 71, when you get your Social Security, you can shut it off and you have no mortgage payments until you pass away or go into care. If you go into a care facility, because you have to occupy the home.
That's right. Otherwise, okay, so say you have the reverse mortgage until you're 90.
Yep.
And at 90, you go to the wonderful, I'm blanking on
memory
whoever.
care or whatever.
Yeah, and locally. So at that point, that's when the payback triggers,
That's
because
when
you'll be
6
selling
months.
the.
Yep.
Okay.
Now you don't have to sell. Selling is always an option.
Mm-hmm.
But you could also have, you could refinance the reverse mortgage into a forward mortgage and have a regular mortgage again and keep the house.
That makes, okay, I'm back on track. That makes sense.
Right?
Yeah.
Or you could have one of your heirs refi and buy. There's like lots of options too. And in that scenario, when you're asking like, hey, one of the heirs is going to buy, like, make sure you enlist the help of a CPA for tax reasons. Mm-hmm. But if both of the occupants goes into memory care and nobody is occupying the home, then within 6 months, that reverse mortgage has to be paid off.
Mm-hmm. That's fair.
Same as when they pass away, 6 months to pay it off.
What if the house doesn't sell in 6 months?
So the servicer will likely work with you. If they see it listed and they see like
price cuts, adjustments. Yeah. I mean, price adjustments.
Yep.
To the market. Okay.
They see efforts. It's not like a hard, there's extensions available.
Okay.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. It's a really nifty tool.
Yes.
It's a life-changing tool for a very specific demographic who needs that support. I mean, a lot of people think, okay, I'm just going to build wealth until I retire, and then they stop building wealth. But this is the perfect tool to continue to build wealth with.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
It doesn't have to stop in our golden years.
No, we can just
stop in our golden years.
Absolutely not. The golden years are very, very far away from us. So
yeah, I've got a while. 15 years for me. I'm counting down.
Oof, that'll be a beautiful
older
day.
than you.
Slightly. But I did go lighter to cover some gray.
It looks great.
Yeah. Gosh, if you had, one thing that you wanted, God, that's so cheesy sounding, I apologize. But if you just wanted to just tell, here's a platform, for you, and kind of what do you want people to know about you or your business? And I think you have multiple things going on. You're not just a mortgage originator. You also have another side business, and you also do these really wonderful things around the community.
Yeah.
People deserve to hear that too.
Oh goodness.
Don't be shy.
So I've been in lending and banking and financial services since 2001. Like, this has been where I've grown up. Mm-hmm. I never want to stop doing this.
You're a lifer.
I am a lifer, but with rates going up recently, I got bored and I did open a cleaning company. Mm-hmm. And I love it. It's so much fun. That company was opened in honor of my mom. My mom was a professional cleaner, and she got really sick with cancer when I was 14. And so I would help her clean. So when I was looking for a way to create another income stream, I chose cleaning, janitorial services. So I own Blue Rose Cleaning Services, and we're just small, a local, I have 5 employees, and we do commercial cleans, we do move-in, move-out cleans, and then we actually, our give back is helping seniors stay in their home. So we give seniors who want to stay in their home a discount when they can't keep up on their clean anymore.
Cool.
A pretty good discount. So that's kind of our give back. That is one of the things that it's like the family member's first sign that their loved one might be ready to leave their house, and oftentimes that senior citizen isn't ready to do that. So if we can help them maintain their home and keep them there longer, so that stress doesn't have to hit that family right then, that's our goal there. So
it's pretty classy.
that's the cleaning side. And then I am pretty involved in the community. I'm involved with Oregon Mortgage Association, and we do a lot of fundraisers for Cornerstone Community Housing, CASA, and Toys for Tots. I also sit as the affiliate director for Springfield Realtors, the local association, and do a lot of community outreach through them too. So, I mean, I've been in this community. We moved up from Jackson County when I was in second grade. So
I didn't realize that.
Yeah.
You're deep here.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I've been here a long time and just love to give back. This community has given me a lot of opportunity, so it feels good to give it back.
It's a wonderful thing to hear.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Neat.
Yeah. Well, cool. I know you're a busy lady. You have a lot going on. Thank you for your time.
Oh, thanks for having me.
Yeah.
I love it. I love to share about this stuff, so I'm always here.
Awesome. Well, I think we'll probably run into each other this afternoon. I know there's a grand opening for a relocation.
Yeah.
So maybe, was that Fidelity?
Fidelity.
And it's just right down
down the street.
Yeah. So this complex has a lot of really wonderful characters, and you can also, there's food places that you can go to that are super trendy that everybody loves.
Yeah.
Really awesome trendy workout spot too.
Yep.
Yep. So it's a really cool spot of town.
Crescent Village. Yeah. Love it.
Yeah.
Central. Located. You get parking here.
And it probably wasn't here at all in existence back in second grade.
No, this wasn't. All of this has been built up like pretty recently, honestly.
Yeah, and here we are in your office.
I know.
Yeah, all grown up.
It's amazing. It's really nice. But you're right. Yeah, it's a fun, trendy spot.
Yeah, you have a cool office. Thanks for having me in.
Oh, thanks for coming.
All right, take care.
Thank you.
Okay, bye.
Bye.